Oh yes, what a beautiful afternoon and a cloudy day down in Memphis. So today, take a look at those adorable lunatic cats from Lunatic Dad, the grumpy old man who likes to destroy Kyle's stuff. Hi everybody, it's Save Carter the Cartoonist 2000 here. Today, I'm taking a look at this, the Lunatic Cats, and oh, look at those adorable lunatic baby kittens. I'm from Lunatic Dad as well too, the grumpy old man. That's why I call it the lunatic baby kittens. So, anyway, so if you like to see those baby kittens and adorable baby kittens, and let me get up. I won't disturb those kittens. So, anyways, if you like to see those adorable baby kittens, go check that out on my channel because you're gonna be really surprised. And don't forget, subscribe to Lunatic Dad, Life as We Gomez, and me. Don't forget, subscribe to Lance Stewart. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and enjoy those adorable lunatic baby kittens.